Yo, 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 Cross fam for life. It's time for a fig hunt. Looking for them turtle figs. What's that guy doing?
This is kind of sketchy.
Let's do this. Y'all ready?
Sure.
We're back at it, Cross fam for life. We're at Target, baby. Let's go. Yo, yo, yo. What's up, everybody? We're still in the mix, still looking for figures. Got the Cross fam with me. Let's see what we got over here in the NECA area.
They have one, they have one, they have one.
Oh, what is it? What is it?
They're all in the back. In the back.
Oh, my goodness. Grab that, baby.
Dang, this is huge.
Holy smokes. What do we got here? Oh, wow. The Catwoman from Channel 6. Unbelievable. Wow. What else is over here? Wow, guys. Get the check in the back. Oh, my goodness. Hold on, Jack. Hold on. There's one back there. Over here at Target.
Okay, brother.
Cross fam for life, baby. Looking for those Masters of the Universe figures. This some Junkyard Dog. 1869. Piper. How much is Piper? We'll go scan Piper. We'll find out about that. Skeletors. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Hurricane.
There they are.
Cowboy Bob Orton.
Alright, your turn. I'll take it back.
My man Jack Attack. What'd you get, dude?
Pokemon cards.
Ooh, sweet.
Dragonite.
Dragonite V-Box? Pretty
No.
sweet. Pretty
It's a
sweet.
Dragonite V.
Oh, Dragonite V. Alright, alright. What up, Jack?
Huh.
Where we at?
Five below.
That's right, that's right. Cross fam for life. Back at it, yo. Back at it. Happy New Year's. We've been MIA. But yo, it's still Cross fam for life. You know how we do it. Let's go. We're at Five Below. We just got these in Albuquerque. This is the first one, I believe. So we're going to go check it out. What's up, Abs? $5 shirts. $5 plushies. Let's do this. Wow. Mad tees for $5. Crazy. You guys like these kind of things, huh? Fidget. Make your own Forky?
Yes.
Oh, man. Shake it, shake it. What's that?
What would they
Oh.
have this year?
Posters. Oh, take me back to 1990. Oh, man. Yeah. Oh, the Sandlot, baby. Yo, 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 yo. Cross fam for life. What do you guys got?
Slime liquor.
We got the slime lickers, baby. We are over here at Target looking for Stridor, Masters of the Universe. Also gonna check out some wrestlers. Let's go, Cross fam for life. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram at Cross fam for life. We are back, son. Dork it. Back at it again. I'm on break, looking for some figgies, trying to find that Stridor Masters of the Universe Origins. Let's get it cracking, y'all. Still on the hunt. Saga continues. Oh, Triple H. Boom. Look at that. Oh, that is sick. Stridor. Super dope. Someone said Sunman was on here. Oh, he's up there. Sick.